Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I wonder why.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know this.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
So I'll keep hustling, you keep.
You guys can't hear the music, huh? Good morning, everyone. I'm messing with the OBS and the music. I don't know what's going on, dude. It's like it doesn't work. Like never works. These tracks are fire though. You can hear the music? Then if you can hear the music, let me turn it down in my headphones because it's loud. What about now? Let me open up the YouTube. Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's because I feel like it's too loud right now, you know what I mean? So I got to equal it out a bit. I don't think you guys can hear it now, huh? Nope. It starts from like right here. You guys can hear it, I think. Yeah, see, see, now you can. Yeah, see? That's when I bring it into the minus. So let's do this. Bring it down here a bit. Bring it down here a bit. I want it to be like, I don't want to be too loud, dude. I don't want it to be too loud, if that makes sense. Oh, damn it, Jerry. Oh, you guys can't? Oh my goodness. By now. Do I really have to turn it up a bunch, man?
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me. I exist to
Oh my god. Do I really have to turn it up like crazy? Now you can hear something? Dude, what the fuck? It's like so loud in my ears, it's insane, dude. I'm about to just... I don't know, dude. Fucking hell, man. And this song sucked too. Oh man. Now it's way louder, dude. What the fuck? What's the plan today? Good morning. Let me fix the music first. This is insane, dude. Hold up, this is way too loud for my ears. Jack the Ripper. I don't know who the fuck this is, bro. Hold up. Dude sucks too, like what the fuck. Yo, what's up, Joe Scott? I'm trying to figure out you guys can hear the music. If I have to keep it like this, I don't know, dude, because it's super loud in my ears and I can't even hear myself talk. So I kind of need whoever's on right now to be like actively helping me, because you guys are my ears. You know, it's pointless if I just, you know what I mean? And then once I fix this stuff, then we can move on with the charts. Oh man. And honestly, dude, this music is bad. I don't even like it. It looks like I have to deal with it. Music's too loud. Thank you, bro. Finally. Someone's helping me, dude. What about now, bro? I just turned it down. He is snapping though. This kid's snapping. Now it's good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this, dude, because I can hear myself talk and I hear the music in my headphones. How's the voice and the music? That's important as well. You know what I mean? So, alright, so let me turn it to live chat. Let's do this. It's good, I think. Either way, I listen to my music. Yeah. Alright, so yo, what's going on, Eddie? Good morning, bro. How's your weekend? My weekend was good, bro. Good morning, Jay. Our cats, we can hear that now. Yeah, thanks for the help, Zainab. Good morning, Nikhil. What's the plan today? We're about to do that right now. GD, Jack the Ripper, Joe Scott. What's going on, bro? Music's too loud. Now it's good. Hi, man. Yeah, so welcome, guys. We're about to break down this gold chart, starting from the monthly, and then we'll go down to, you know. So monthly resistance right in this area, right? Boom, just like that. We also have a monthly resistance right here. I'm not gonna mark that off, but I am gonna mark off this support right in here. This monthly support settings template, monthly support. Perfect. Look at that. All right. That's about it on the monthly. On the weekly, oh man, it looks like we're about to come up to equal or to all-time highs here. Now every guru is saying, I told you we're going to equal highs. All right, settings, template, weekly resistance. All right. And then we also have a weekly support right in this area. All right, just like that. Let's take it down to the daily time frame and let's see what's going on here on a daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what happened, right? We broke above resistance right here. I'm gonna just mark this off like that, right? Because all this is a resistance area on the daily, right? We broke above, retested, created support. Now we created a higher high. We did capitalize on this trade, but now I didn't leave a runner. I just collected my profits at my full TP, which was like 480 pips. So it's pretty dope, right? Now we got to look for that pullback to then jump right back into another trade, right? If we even get a pullback. Right, so gold daily support right in this area. Where's the music at? Jesus. Do I really have to swap it every time? Do I really have to? Right. Daily floor right in this area. Alright. And then let's go to the 4 hour. We have this resistance that it's poking at right now. Boom. and it looks like we're about to create a support here on the 4-hour as well. So this range, bro, not tradable. Shit range. Garbage. Right? We have this area of interest. I like this area because it's a break and retest. It's the last area of resistance that it broke out of before we need to come back and retest. Plus, we have this gap here that we need to come down to. Does that mean I'll counter trend trade? Maybe. Maybe. Then we have this support slash resistance area right in here. And if we end up breaking these levels, or if it looks like we're about to break these levels, then I will come down, look further for, you know, sells or buys, right? Let's look at the 1-hour time frame, see if there's anything. This zone on the 1 hour, we're gonna keep that in the back of our mind. Yeah, that'd be dope. That would be dope. That would be dope if we come down into this area. Who knows if it's gonna pull back this low to catch that next high up, right? Who knows? I hope. I don't think it's gonna happen though, but that'll be perfect. Second scenario. Second scenario would be from down here, catch a push up. Third scenario. Now, let's look at these lower time frames, resistance and supports, because let me first see where that. Give me a second. First, see where that 50 and the 61 is at, so I know on the lower time frame. Let's look in here somewhere. All right, let's look in. Boom. Got him, coach. Perfect. I love this zone. Right here. Let's make that light blue. I like this zone. I like this zone as well. So if we get, so what I'm looking for right now at this area that we're at, it's 4-hour resistance right now. Counter trend trading in this instance is fucked. Don't do it. Only when you're getting in on the 1 minute, you get in very fast. You see the drop, you put your stops at break even. But what I would love to see right now is an engulfing candle to the downside, break probably this structure right here, to then fill this gap that we have in here. You see this empty area that we have right here, right? Fill this shit here, consolidate here for a bit, and then make that higher high come in tomorrow or later on today. Who knows? I mean, it's gold, right? That's what I'm looking for. Very simple. Always gotta want. You should always wait for that pullback. 100%. Can't just jump in just because you know you want to jump in, right? Now, is it going to pull back down into this area? I don't know. No one knows, right? Oh, Jesus. I have to keep switching it. I don't like that. All right. Yo, what's going on, Nguyen? How you doing, bro? Assalamu alaikum. What's going on, bro? I'm not Muslim, but alaikum salam, bro. Babu, good week. Yes, sir. I hope we can make a very good week out of it. We should, though. It's easy. Just wait for the pullback and buy. Juru 84. Arabi? No. Ameriki. Ameriki. Ameriki Asabi. Ameriki. Nah, I'm not Arabic, bro. What's going on, Esther? How you doing? Welcome. Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. All right. Esther, we were just talking about that. We're waiting for pullbacks into these areas 100% before looking for a buy. What do you? They're already laughing at me, dude. The day just started, man. Nothing for you today. Yeah, it's very. It's very, very hard to look for the counter trend right now because it's so bullish. So I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna wait for the nice pullback to continuation higher. Now I have a couple of zones in mind, and if those zones do end up getting hit, then perfect. How's the music now? How's the music? Is it better? Is it worse? Is it because for me it's like super loud, dude. It's actually insane, right? That's what we're looking at on gold, man. Just don't buy it high right now. Just don't do that shit. Good. Thanks, bro. Tassi P, new name, man. How you doing, bro? Where you from? Send a chart. Gold's breaking. Hello. Gold open. Sell buy, mister. Ooh. The first day of the week. We have our Timmy list. You know, we just started not too long ago. But we have our first Timmy already. You know what I mean? Timmy number 1 is my good friend. See, they already, chat already knows. They're like, Timmy. They already know. Bayou. What was that? Bayou. Vianto. Español. Se parla español, amigo. Timmy. Tú se Timmy. Your name's Timmy. Yeah. The trap music. I'm a woman. Oh, sorry. I don't know what. Yes, ma'am. From Brazil. Aha. Se parle Portuguese. You know what I mean? The 1 minute cracked down very hard though. Look at that. Risky sells, 33 pips. Risky for the biscuit, never. Timmy 1, yeah, he's Timmy 1 already. Look at that, brother. Mr. Bayou is Timmy numero 1. Timmy numero 1. I don't like this song. I'm gonna get rid of it. I feel like it's too. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, this is okay. Right? Timmy number 1. He probably left. He probably disliked the stream and left. Yeah, today we're not really looking at much. Today it's Monday. We're gonna let the weekly create the bottom wick. Hola, Tassi. Hola, se parla español. Portuguese, homie. I speak Spanish, bro. Don't get it twisted. These songs are garbage. I think it's better for me to not play any songs, right? Está bien, muchos bien. Muchas gracias. You know, you guys didn't think I knew how to speak Spanish, bro? You know what I'm saying? Let me do this real quick and let me paste here the link here for some people that want to kick back and chill. Let's hear some other people's opinions. Going to fill the 1970 gap. Why do you think that? Yeah, I agree, but why do you think that? Risky. I like the risky for the biscuit. Cozy TV. Shouldn't you say what's up to me first, bro? Esther is popular, bro. Esther. Yeah, so in this area, what you want to look for is probably like, okay, so you see this rejection, right? Let the candle close first, right? Because what happens with, so, okay, so this is our signal number 1 for a counter trend trade. Now, honestly, I don't want a counter trend trade At this time, I don't. That's signal number one, right? Right now, we should wait for a couple of more rejections, and then we should wait for the spike up. At this spike up, we will see the takedown, right? We will look for a push down. I'm not gonna do it. I'll probably tell you guys to do it, but I won't do it myself. I'm going to be very patient today, sit on my fingers, talk to you guys, wait for a pullback into my areas to continue the easier move up. Buys are easy, the sells are hard. The sells are going to be choppy, the sells are going to be yeah, very choppy, very boring. So you got to be very careful when you're trying to look for a short position. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, patience pays bills. If you don't have the patience, go do something. Set an alarm. I used to do that all the time. I used to set an alarm, come back, and then, you know, react on it. Yes, sir, Mr. Bayou. It's my bro's birthday today. Jesus Christ, man. I hate this pop-up mail. Can't I stop that? Turn off all the notifications. Jesus Christ. I get them on my phone. I get them on my computer. I get them on my iPad. I get them on my fucking Nintendo Switch. Fucking hell, dude. Okay, so now we had our rejection. Look at this 15-minute closing. Wait for it, though. We're going to wait for this 15-minute close. Wait for another rejection. Right? When you're counter trend trading, especially in times like this, you have to be very careful doing it. I'm not doing it. But I know that there's people that can't sit on their fingers. And I know there's people that can't just wait. They're going to try and take this short. In these times, you want to make money, easy money, wait for the buy. People in my group, there's only one person that capitalized on it. I just closed 450 pips on Friday NFP. Everyone was buying the pump. I was already just waiting for the pump to happen to get to my TP. You know what I mean? So just be patient. Let the market come to your price area and then buy it. And it's going to be so much easier to buy it because it's going to be, the price is already bullish, right? The price is already bullish. So the only thing you have to wait for is confirmations at your zones. And that's it. It's going to go. That people have to go to the Timmy list. Yeah, there's already one person on the Timmy list. Look at that. Mr. Bayou. Mr. Bayou is our first Timmy year. You know what I mean? I think I unlocked polls on YouTube actually. Yeah, I did. I unlocked a poll. I can make a poll. Make our first poll. Do you guys hate my channel? I'm not gonna do that. Our zone 1965. Why is your zone 1965, mister? Our zone 1965? I like this zone. Yes, I do. I could tell you why I like this zone also. Because first, this zone, it will clear the gap, right? Now, we're very super bullish. So, we might not get that deep pullback. We really, we might not, right? We also have a support area right here. Or a resistance area. Which is, let me switch. Right? We also have this. We have this resistance area in here that has turned support, right? So we broke out of here, came back down. Very strong level right here. Even though it's 15-minute, it's okay, right? I'll still look for, oh my god, this music makes me fucking nuts, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, that's it? Free music. Isn't there like a shuffle? Jesus Christ. This is garbage. Waiting for the close of the gap, then wait for my confirmation to buy. Yes. Or gap of the gap like 50. I will wait for the gap to close, man. Now, you could be greedy and sell to the gap. Put some XAUUSD music, bro. I can't put on like everything. I gotta put on YouTube shitty ass playlist because I'll get copyright strikes. So, and then if I get too many copyrights, I guess that they're gonna shut my channel down. I don't know. Right, so now what's going on here is the 15-minute is rejecting. Now, let it run away. Fuck it, let it run away. Let it come back. If you want a counter trend trade, you have to wait for stuff like this. Let it run away, let it come back, and let it reject again. Let it make that lower low. Right, for the bigger move. And I wouldn't even sell this anyway. 30 minutes still close above resistance, didn't close above the first resistance. So, oh my goodness, this music is absolutely bad. I would never listen to this. Just to put it on. I kind of wanted to bring like a little sphere in here, because hearing my voice sometimes gets boring. So now you can listen to music a bit. Or if you guys would rather turn the music, if you guys would rather want for me to turn the music off, man, just tell me turn that shit off, bro. I'll turn it off. Don't worry. By the way, I like a lot your channel and lives all day. I try to come here. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. I do my best, you know what I mean? I do my best. I can't do more, I can't do less. But I do my best. Dude, but this music though, Jesus. It's like some depressing, weird sort of stuff. Right? It's okay, look. 15-minute rejected once. Now it's potentially gonna just fill the wick and keep going higher. Very safe counter trend trades. Very safe would be if you break here on the 5-minute. Alright, you break here on the counter trend trade. Right, and then you wait for that next candle to spike back up. Reject. Then continue lower. Best counter trend trade. You know what I mean? Otherwise, dude, be very careful. Don't try and counter trend trade this. Turn that shit off. We're here to learn, not listen to music. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Bro, what that music is garbage, though. 100%. 100%, dude. Whoa, it's like so. I don't know how to explain it, man. I couldn't think. You know, I couldn't think with that music all in my ear. Jesus Christ. Thank you though, Nickel. It's like nobody told me to turn it off. I think you're the only one that disliked the music, but I disliked it as well, so got you, bro. 100%. 100% I got you. Right? It's like I said, counter trend trading right now. Wait for another rejection. Wait for like an engulfing candle. Wait for like something. Like the 1 hour, yeah, okay, it rejected. Let it come up and reject again. Let it come up and reject again. Let it spike, stop everyone out that's got in early, and then we're gonna potentially hop on the wave down. Potentially. And the wave down is counter trend trading, so you gotta be very quick with taking profits and very quick with putting your stops at break even. Cause anything can happen right now, right? Look at this 4-hour close. All right, what does this tell you? What is this telling you? It looks like we're about to range all in this area, right? But I do know one thing now. I have a feeling that the 4-hour candle is going to tap into the bodies of the previous 4-hour support to then potentially continue higher. So if you guys want to wait for a pullback, it could also be into this area, probably get the wick to close the gap to then continue higher into these 2000 areas. You know what I mean? Right? Because yes, oh, totally forgot to mark this one off. Sorry. This is a daily resistance right in this area. Just like that. You know what I mean? So we are rejecting a daily resistance. Now, the only thing that you're waiting for is your price action confirmations. I'm not going to enter. I will repeat, I will not enter a short position. Do you believe in RSI divergence? What the fuck is that even? No, I'm just kidding. I used to trade with RSI divergence, but I don't believe in it because it's been saying overbought for like 6 weeks now, and it's still buying. So no. I mean, I had a strategy with the RSI diversions. No, that's not Timmy Candidate. It's just a curiosity question. But I had a strategy with the RSI diversions. I forget what the numbers were. But you would have to wait for like the RSI to be oversold, right? 1. 2, you would have to wait for a 4-hour strong bearish close. And then 3, you would have to wait for and you have to put like your stops 20 pips above, but then the stop loss would always be like 70 pips. And I wasn't okay with that. So I didn't really, I mean, you know, I don't use any indicators at all. I'm just pure price action. Yo, hey man, Charted, what's going on, bro? Welcome to the stream. You're a new name that I see. Send a chart, bro. If you think gold can hit 1982 before it creates a new high, possibly. All right, send a chart. Why you think that? You know what I mean? I'm waiting for my pullback to potentially, I hope, into this area. I hope it comes into this area, but I don't think we're gonna come back down that low. Now you did say a number that I just mentioned. I just mentioned. I said now we did create 4-hour support. Now we can see this candle spike down into the support area, potentially spike down into this, close the gap. Right? Tap into our blue zone real quick, and then boom. Potentially, we'll see when it comes down there, buddy. I like the idea of you know, you waiting for a pullback. Are we on London session? Yeah, I am on London session. I don't know what your session you're on. Santa Wula. All right, so remember us when you get a fame. We are supporting you in the mud. Yeah, I know. There's the people that started like literally like my first 10 viewers. I'll never forget those people. So my first 10, 20 viewers. You know, because those are the people that actually made it blow up. Why? Because they stayed when there was only like 10 people. You know, I won't forget those people. I've been dreaming about buys from 1967. Why? 1967. Jesus. Yeah. I have that zone marked off as well. Let's go. Yes, sir. Chart it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Guys, let's do it. Let's go. Let's just be patient, bro. If you're patient right now, there's so much easy money if you're patient in these charts right now. So what if you don't trade today? So what if you don't trade tomorrow? But I swear if you let it come down to one of these zones and you fucking slap some money on that bad boy, or you risk like 1 to 2%, that trade is guaranteed to go 100 to 200 pips. easy, and then you would have made more money. You would have made all your money for the week already. That's how I've been doing it. That's how I did it last week. Anyone shorted gold at 2K? No. You could have. There's, but it's very, 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 very. At this point, bro, I saw what you're looking at. I had it marked off. I'm not counter trend trading. And trust me, I am a counter trend trader. And I love doing it. Just not here in these times. Just not at the moment of, it's so risky. I've saw like from like last month to this month, I saw like 7 liquidity hunts, you know, and like people came into the chat like, yeah, dude, my stop got slipped like crazy. So, and why? Because they're counter trend trading. So I'll be very, very, very careful. I'm not getting my stuff slipped. I already got slipped once this year, and I was following the trend at that. You know what I'm saying? So you have to be very careful at, when you're counter trend trading right now. But you should be in profits if you did get that gold at 2K. Congratulations. Oh, we got a second Timmy. Got a second Timmy. And I don't even know him. I never seen his face. He's directly on the Timmy list. Hindo Bag. What's going on, Timmy? I like your profile picture though. But you're a Timmy now, so yeah. Timmy. Mr. Timmy. You can short whenever you want, buddy. You can short right now, you can short tomorrow. You have all the power. It's called your phone. You do need your phone, and you do need to open up MetaTrader, and you need to hit sell whenever you want. I'm not gonna tell you when. Okay? I'm thinking about buying a new phone, guys. Fucking shitty auto library. Thinking about buying a new phone, the S22 Ultra. I have the S20 Ultra. Zoe, I don't want short. Me want long. I want long. I wait for long. West African Sylvester. Good morning, bro. Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome back, Sylvester. Zoe retracing the message, acting like I didn't see it, dude. I didn't want shorts. I'm just advising people to be careful if they are shorting. Got absolutely slapped on EJ. Okay, Nav man. Best thing to do right now if you got slapped is to journal your trade, journal your mistakes. Send it to me. I could probably get some pointers in there. You know? I could probably give you, send me that chart, bro. I want to learn with you. I want to learn from your mistakes if you don't mind. Okay? Do you trade via impulse entries or supply and demand? I don't do supply and demand. I don't do impulse entries. Tired of Apple, or you've always been an Android fan like me? I got tired of Apple, bro. I've been having Apple my whole life. I've had Android. I've kind of switched, switched from like it was always first iPhone. And I kind of switched over to like Android, and it was like iPhone all the way to the iPhone. Was it the 8, the Mini 8 Plus when it first came? It was like small. It had like 2 cameras, or no, it had like that one big camera. I got that one. I've had that phone for like 3 years, dude. The longest I've ever kept the phone. And then I bought this one, which is the S21 Ultra. I was like, dude, you know what? I love this. I love this phone. I love what it does. It has a pen, you know. So whenever I'm somewhere, in the car and long car rides, I'm sitting here marking the charts, dude. Just watching the charts and learning. So it's kind of dope. And yeah, I kind of fell in love with big phones. Oh my god. So now I've kind of fell in love with the Android, dude. Androids are fucking sick, man. They're sick. I've seen so like this camera, it zooms in 50 times, dude. Like if it's insane. The camera is so fucking crisp. You know what I mean? Need to check. Yo, what's going on, bro? Welcome back. How do you find supply and demand areas? I don't trade off supply and demand, but I could teach you like some supply and demand, what it looks like. It's kind of just the same as support and resistance. They just added a nice little twist into it. So you're basically looking for a leg out. So you're looking for a support area, but then with a strong leg out, which means at that area you had a very strong bullish bias, right? A lot of big, strong bullish candles. DeAndre Scott, what's going on, bro? Like the stream? Yeah, bro. If they want to like it, they can. If they don't want to like it, they don't have to. I don't beg for likes. I don't ask people for likes. Let me find this dude some supply and demand areas. I just know like one sort of supply and demand. Same thing as support and resistance. I think so, honestly. Now, there are some like exclusive, like some very good supply and demand areas as well that, but I'm not gonna teach you that. You're gonna have to find someone that knows about that stuff. So, you see this area right here? Let's go here. This area right here. So you see how this area had a bearish push rejection, bullish candle, bearish candle, and then boom, that leg out. This strong candle push up made this a demand area. So then you mark it off like this, and you wait for price to get back into that area, and you just buy it. That simple, right? Then you buy it, but once it comes back to that area, you do look for price action confirmations, right? That's your demand area. See how it came into that area? Boom, you have supply area. There's so many. I'm not gonna go into this, deep into detail. I would just personally say look for that leg out. There's so many different ways of supply and demand. It's kind of insane. The one I like a lot is the leg out. That's it. Um, like right here, this is a okay leg out. Let's go further down. Let's see if I can find you another one. I like this leg out. You see how price came down and just shot up. That's a demand area. This is a demand area. This turned into a demand area. Price came down to it. Let's see. Let's look left. Let's see the first taps in this area. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. Yeah. See, look. Oh, price hasn't even came back down that low. That's when it actually just took off. Right? You just want to look for that leg out. Just look for that strong push up. Look for that bearish candle and then that strong push up right here. That. Right? That's a demand area. Obviously, you did get stopped out. Right? But that's why it's important to wait for price action. That's a leg out. This is the only supply and demand that I pay attention to. This is leg out. I like this leg out right here. Came straight to it. This is a leg out. You would have got stopped out. So yeah, I hope you kind of got a couple of examples there, bro. But me personally, bro, I don't trade supply and demand. I feel like it's just all the same thing as support and resistance and all the extra. I just think they added a little twist to it. What confirmations are you looking for to get into a trade on gold at the moment? A pullback first. 100% a pullback. Um, Need to check. Hey mate, just to let you know, I followed your advice on how to draw support slash resistance zones on last Friday and caught 60 pips on London session on gold today. So thanks. You're welcome, bro. Let me send you my PayPal so you can send me some of that commission. Nah, good job though, bro. I mean, my support and resistance areas are so simple. It's fucking my little sister drew my support and resistance areas for me before. No bullshit. So, yeah, dude. I mean, wait for that. It's just so simple. It just don't go back it too far. Don't go back too far. You know what I mean? Just look. Yo, what's up, Alfredo? How you doing, man? The YouTube can hear you, bro. Now, I think.
Hey YouTube.
I think they. I think I got it fixed. Can you guys hear the Zoom? Yo, what's up, Wick fella? Fuck up, bro. Who is it? Who is it, bro? All right, so but the confirmations that I'm looking for first off is, you know, a pullback potentially into this area. Potentially, I would love a pullback down into this area. Right? Get a pullback down into this area. Show me some type of price action and then continue higher. Probably target these weekly resistant highs. Let's look at the news. I haven't even looked at the news today. Okay, let's see if there's any Russian military to hold fire, open humanitarian corridors of several Ukraine countries. See if there's anything happened. Okay, let's go here. March 8th, tomorrow, right? No red folders for USD. Jolt's job opening, they're calling negative numbers, positive USD. It depends on the actual though. CPI and then core CPI, right? Government Lowy speaks. Yeah, this week there's a bunch of news, but prelim yuan consumer sentiment. Okay, let's go back to the 10th. They're calling what? Positive numbers, which means negative gold. They're calling negative numbers, which means positive gold. Manipulation. Manipulation right here, 100%. They're about to do some foggy. And that is it. But I heard something going on at like later on today. At like 12. Aren't they gonna go talk or something? Right? Look at that. So then this is a supply area on the 1 minute. You see how it had a bullish candle and then a bearish candle down. That's a leg out. That's the only supply and demand that I really pay attention to. I don't really pay attention to that. I mean, same thing. It's at your resistance area. It's just price action in your resistance area on the 1 minute. Abdullah. Alfredo. Oops. Europe GDP. Europe GDP news. Oh, that's at 12. Oh, why the fuck am I going to Google? Just go to Forex Factory. Where do you see that, bro? I don't see it. That's for the day. I don't see it. GDP. I don't see it, bro. Let's go. Let's Google it. Okay, you know what? F this. We'll just see what happens when it happens. Right, Euro. You use FX Street. Let me go to financial. But financial Jew's been acting weird. They don't want to add my what's today, the 7th? Okay. That already happened. Now the next thing that should happen is here at nothing on there. So let's use FX Street then. Let's look at the street of Forex. Oh, I think it's economic calendar. Oh, dude, what the fuck is all this shit, man? Oh, there we go. Okay, I think we found it. Gross domestic products. Oh, that already happened. Cancel. GBP 30-year bond action. Is this even for today? This is so confusing. Tuesday, March 8th. That's for tomorrow. Yeah, there's nothing going on. Where do you see Europe GDP, dude? Or am I just blind? This is today. Market started this week on a risk off tone. Blah 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 blah. Save him as a set. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Anyway. Oh, it's for tomorrow? Dude, I asked for today. I'm sitting here looking, making myself look stupid. I got you though, buddy. Alright. Now let's just wait for that 1 hour to close, man. Jerry, what are you waiting for? What are you looking at?
Like you, bro, waiting for pullback, but to fill in that gap.
Yeah, fill in that gap. Yeah, exactly. But last time it didn't fill in that gap. There was a gap here somewhere, and it didn't fill it. I don't think it did. I don't remember where it was exactly, but you see that gap on like lower time frames. It was crazy.
That big gap, it's filled, bro. I think
Is it? You know which one I'm talking about? It was like
the
beginning of
recent
last
one, right?
week.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. It's filled?
Yep. It's
Okay.
filled.
Okay. 5 minute engulfing. Ooh wee. Sometimes it's so tempting to counter trend trade.
Super bullish today, man. Crazy.
Yeah, I'm not getting in any shorts. The gap was last Monday. Okay. Um, is it that news with Russia, Ukraine meet again tomorrow or something like that? Yeah, probably, dude. Is it reversing now? I don't know. You gotta ask the market makers. Last week Monday, okay. Yo, what's good? Bite Night, how you doing, bro? Welcome back. Good to see you, bro. Shane Peary, Euro USD. What's Euro USD telling you? I don't understand Euro USD. I don't know what you mean with that, brother. Check the charts. Looks like it's about to reverse. Let's check the charts on Euro USD. That's potentially looking like it's about to reverse. Potentially. Dude, I don't see any reverse here, dude. I see fucking bleeding daily candle. I see it just bleeding, bro. I mean, it is coming to a bunch of daily levels right here, which I do see. But why are you correlating Euro USD with gold? You should be correlating DXY if you want to do any type of correlation. And you can't even correlate that because look at that. The dollar's flying up. You know what I mean? This is when everything is so bullish. You have to be very careful, dude. The dollar is expensive, becoming expensive again. You know what I mean? So I don't even like looking at correlations anyway because it messes with your whole input on things and what you're trying to do and what you're trying to look for, right? Say if I was looking for shorts here and then I looked at the DXY and it was just going up, right? You would think that gold would come down, but no. Gold is correlated with Swedish dollar. How? What's even the ticker for a Swedish dollar? What the fuck is even a ticker for a Swedish dollar? Isn't it? What is it?
FD, if I'm not mistaken. CHF or CSF, what something.
Oh, uh, oil, dude. Everything's going to the moon right now, dude. CHF, mood music vibes. That's lit. Yeah, I haven't even looked at CHF pairs in so long that I forgot the ticker for it. What did he say? He said gold is correlated with the Swedish dollar. What is that? CHF USD? USD CHF. There we go. How the fuck is that correlated? It's just both going up. Oh, I see what you mean, though. Kind of, in a way. Kind of see what you mean. Gold's actually not really correlated, dude. Let's be real. I mean, it's just everything's just going up. You can't really look at even US 30. I haven't looked at US 30 yet, but just US 30 is going down, right? US 30 goes down, gold goes up, fucking um gold goes down, gold goes up, US 30 goes down, GJ goes what? Up, down. Jesus Christ, that shit took a mad dump. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Imagine it breaking this level, man. Swedish dollar's the new currency? Fucking hey, I don't know, bro. Honestly, if you want to look at economics, it's not me. I'm not the one. I'm very bad at economics. Only thing I know is Forex Factory. I could tell you about the charts though. I could tell you when to make money and when not to. Gold is correlated to Swiss franc because most of gold is stored in Switzerland. Just go to DXY, that's enough? Yeah, exactly. But like in normal market conditions, when DXY is going down, gold's going up. Now they're both just going up. Okay, they have the most gold stored there. Looks like we're gonna have to go rob them. Looks like we're gonna have to rob CHF, USD CHF pair this time because they have the most gold. You know what I mean? So yeah, there for the person that sold that at 2K, it's right back at your entry. What are you gonna do now? Are you going to stay in the trade? Or are you going to cut it? You know what I mean? Now it's just different. The market is different. Trust, yeah, different, bro. I don't even know what to. The best thing you can do is just wait for the pullback and buy it. Seems like the correlation has changed. DXY goes up, gold goes up. Yeah, normally it's the other way around. That's why I don't look at other pairs when I'm looking at gold. The only thing I'm looking for on gold is a pullback to continue higher. That's the only thing you need to wait for. Risky, risky, very risky, risky, Mr. YouTuber. Or my YouTuber. YouTuber. Very risky, dude. Very, very risky. Don't short here, please. Don't short. You'll probably get slicked. Your throat probably will get slicked. Gold will be like, come here, boy. Come here, good sir. Got him. Nah, potentially what can happen is gold coming down to this level right here and rejecting, right? Previous resistance. I wouldn't want anyone to trade Or it's a short right now. It's just stupid. Wait for the pullback to this area, this area, this area. Buy it back up. Buy it back up. Buy it back up. It doesn't get any simpler. It doesn't get any simpler than that. You know what I mean? Oh, jeez. Right. Now, plus, there isn't any volume, right? If you want to look for shorts, you need volume on your side. Most definitely need volume on your side. Where are you looking to short? Yeah, I know. I love shorting, Esther, but I haven't shorted. I've only been buying because I remember I shorted the beginning of the bull run, and I was like, dude, it's too bullish to short. Just wait for the pullback and buy. Otherwise, you're just gonna keep losing money. And then when you do short, right, you only get these little stupid choppy moves. Yeah, they go for 200 pips, but like we had buys down where last week shot up 400 pips and then did another 200 pips with this gap, right? 300 pips. Like, it's insane. If I would have just held my buys, like, look at this. Here it is right here. Look at that. That's from 1918 to 1963. Now it's at what, 2000, dude. I should have just held my buys, but I secured everything. Wait, what was the entry? 1918. Yeah, that's insane. Oh yeah, it was right here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. This was the entry. This was the entry. Look at that. 500 pips, man. Fucking hell. And I closed here, everything. Closed everything here. And I closed, first TP was here, I believe. Somewhere in this area. And I closed the rest here. 300 pips and then fucking pulled back down and went up. It was like crazy. But now, bro, Esther, I'm gonna wait till the markets get back to its own self before I can look for counter trend trades again. Because this is actually insane how easy it is to just buy the dip. Just buy the dip. That's it. Buy the dip. Like, it doesn't even want to pull back. You know? It's like if I was looking for shorts, right, then there would have been an entry here. I would have got stopped out. Right? Entry, no. But that was it. I would have got stopped out right here. Potentially at the break of this, I would have entered. Stops above. Not gonna do that now, bro. Jerk 30? What about Jerk 30, bro? What's about Jerk 30? Hindol, aren't you on a Timmy list, dude? You should ask a smarter question, Timmy. Because you're just saying stupid stuff. First you said something that got you on the Timmy list. Now you say Jerk 30. What about it? You want me to look at it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Are you making money from Jerk 30? Are you in love with the Germans? Do you love their cars? You like waffles? What about Jerk 30, dude? You're already a Timmy. until today, until tomorrow. So I would just stop being stupid, please. TA, yeah, you're just handicapped, bro. You're not even Timmy. What is a TA, bro? 210 gold? Yeah, potentially, bro. 210. I think 210 is that weekly resistance, isn't it? Look at that. Ooh, risky for the biscuit. Let's look at the weekly. Like waffles. Like, yeah, dude, it's weird. Why do you say 210, bro? Maybe there's something on the daily. Oh, you're probably targeting the wick fill, aren't you? Let's see if T's anything on the 4 hour on 210. Four-hour resistance right here. Yeah, let's mark that off. Good point out, bro. Good call out. 4 hour resistance, which is the most recent one coming up. Yep. That's the next most recent resistance coming up. TL Timmy list. Yeah, but he said TA. So I don't know what TA means. Saw you on Luke Trades London, so I came up to yours. Welcome, bro. Luke's a good friend of mine. Luke and I trade the same almost. Just do things a little differently. Just market my charts differently. Technical analysis, bro. I'm not that smart, bro. I'm not into all the you know, shortcuts for words and stuff. You know what I mean? I don't know any of that. If you want technical analysis, you know what? Send me a chart and I'll correct it. Cause you're already a Timmy. You get less privileges when you're a Timmy. Technical analysis. Jesus Christ. Why couldn't you just type that? Hindle, I'm about to be on your bucket all day, okay? So bear with me here, buddy. Oh, rejections. Picked up a lot from him. I'm a trader without a mentor. Get a mentor. If you want to speed the process up, if you have time and you like the way you're doing, keep going, bro. I didn't have a mentor as well. Just did it. Bought a couple of courses, but you can't call those people mentors because they don't really put time and effort into you privately. So like I feel like a mentor is really someone that's gonna hold your hand and really teach you the ropes, right? Like, matter of fact, I have to text someone that I told him I'll teach him for free. He's one of those kids that are kind of bad. They're bad kids. He's a bad kid. So he's a very bad juvenile delinquent. And he just got out of juvie. And I'm like, dude, I'll help you get off the streets by doing this. So told him I'll do it for free. Teach him for free. Only thing he has to do is come up with his own money to trade. I'm not gonna do that for him. I'll teach him how to fish, but I won't give him the fish. You know, I won't feed him. I'll teach you. Right. So for the people that are looking for counter trend trades, don't do it. Please don't do it. What do you think? Another build up? Yep. I think it's another pullback to fucking shoot up in the air. when price is this bullish, dude, you have to first wait for. Just wait, man. Just wait for the pullback, please. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. Get in on the pullback. That's your trade. So simple. Like counter trend trading right now. Like I want gold to take a shit. I want it to dump right now. Ishan Madushinanka 2022 next target. Nice. And highly bullish. I mean, everyone has targets now when they're bullish. It's easy to call targets when it's bullish, dude. Let me see you call a pullback area. Everyone's a gold expert now. Even me. Just buy it and TP wherever the fuck you want. Right?
3,000.
Huh?
All the way to 3,000.
Yeah, I mean like I've saw people on Instagram. Yeah, gold's going to what was it? 2000. He said a little bit above the highs. He said like 2,300 or something. I'm like, dude, it's so easy to speculate higher high on gold right now because it's just so easy. I mean, there's no skill involved, right? Never trade gold, but 210 is possible. Yeah, it's possible. I agree. What do you trade, Mr. Neem? What do you trade, bro? I just trade gold. I only trade gold. That's it. Only trade gold. I lean on NAS 100, GJ, and CJ. Okay. Nice, bro. Keep it up. Never really traded NAS 100. Is it easy to trade? Let's have a look at it. Let's see how price actions. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck is this? Oh, I did do some markups here. Ooh, look how I used to mark it up. This was here for a reason. Look how many times it came back into that and respected it, though. Insane. Anyway, let's have a look at that. Ooh, I like this area right here to buy. Don't miss this area, bro. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity, bro. Isn't it just been coming down as well? Oh, Jesus. Never mind. Be very careful. It's taking a shit. Nas is falling. Bro, what's my opinion? Bro, my opinion is buys. Everyone's opinion should be bullish on gold. If you're looking to short the top, good luck. You know what I mean? Everyone's opinion should be bullish. It's simple, dude. It should be bullish. Look into this wick right here on the monthly. Look at this. Let me put you guys on some game. Okay, wait, let me make it a different color. Give me a second. So I know. Because I have some. Let's just make it fucking. Let's just make it blue. Let's zoom out. Go left. And let's look for the first. Dude, what the heck? Doesn't it go back that far, dude? Like, come on, man. Right, you're looking at all of this area for price to reject. Right? You're looking at all this area for price to reject. Now, there's some places that I like. Like this area. Like this area. Potentially. And it could potentially come up to right up into here to then just take it down, dude. know what I mean? But I'm only looking to buy. That's it, bro. I got that area marked. Yeah, look for that area and then wait for the price action. Excuse me. What's the best place for a buy? Pullback. We have information. We have a gap here. We want this gap to get filled first of all. You want this gap to get filled. So price, before I do anything with buying, I want price to come back down here to fill this gap 100%. Then you have this area of support, which is the blue line or the blue box that we potentially could look for a buy setup on, right? Because then why? The gap's closed. If you have any price action here, price pulled back enough. This is a 50% pullback, right? And then you can look for price action to take it back up. But right now, you're not looking at buys unless it's in your trading plan to buy an all-time high. You know what I mean? So if you can't wait for the pullback, if you can't wait for the pullback, then don't wait for the pullback. Buy it now. You know what I mean? Wait for your confirmations. Buy the high. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Wait for a pullback. Oh, I can't reach this page. What am I doing wrong? I did something wrong. RDC. Oh, you did something wrong. You gotta add this dash, bro. Like that. Yeah. Alright, so I don't know what the fuck this is, bro. What is this? What are the triangles even? What are the triangles? I know this. Right? I know this. I know this. This is probably like an ascending bull flag pattern, right? I hope. But what I really want to know, what is this, bro? What is that? What are the triangles? Is that like your deep what's it called? What is it? What's the confirmations? What did you look for here on this trade? Oh, it's today. See, I knew it was talks. Russia delegates depart. The talks between Russia and Ukraine began at 12 GMT. Told you, bro. I knew there was something going on today, man. Right? But next time, I love how you're in profit. What is this? CAD JPY. I love how you're in profit. But next time, draw like a support area, something like that, and draw like or type the confirmations that you seen right here to buy it up. These arrows are fucking disgusting. Use these arrows, bro. They look better. Look. I mean, it's not important, but use these arrows. They look better. They look more professional. You know what I mean? But I'm happy that you're in profits. Just add more detail to it. Send it again, bro. Check my chart, bro. Send a chart. Send a chart. I will potentially check it. I hear you, 100%, bro. But you're in profit. That's what counts. Fuck my opinion. Just next time, just draw support, draw resistance. You know, put your explanations. Because right now, the only thing I saw was just a vortex and into space with those triangles, dude. Like, if you jumped into that, you're going to space. It's a portal to space. Look at this shit. Oh, I left it. Where is it? Look at it. You jump into this. It's a vortex into space. You're gone. You're going to space. You're going to the moon, right? Came into the triangle. It's going to the moon. You know what I mean? Nah, just add more detail next time. 100%. Be careful. Do be careful with if you are still in this area. Yeah, it already rejected here, like this whole resistance area. you should be looking to take your first TP, right? Me personally, I would take first TP right here. And then I would most definitely put my stops to break even to then continue to push higher, potentially to this area. I would take off some more right here as well. So it would be TP1 for me right here. TP1. And then I would look into the smaller time frames, what this is right here for TP2. And then I would, leave the rest to this area. Right. So if you haven't taken profit yet, you said it rejected. It's turning bearish right now. Potentially, also what it could do, is come down here, create a double bottom, continue higher. You know what I mean? Potentially, I don't know. I don't trade the spirit; moves too slow. Oh, we got another chart. Avi, bro. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Let's see. Let's look at my man's chart. Let's see what he is currently looking at right here. All right. What the fuck are you doing, bro? You're a Timmy. Oh my God. What is this? 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 Wait for the 30-minute to close this area, and then you're TPing what, 70 pips? You think you're gonna just sell it and it's with a 5 pip stop loss and it's gonna come down 400 pips, bro? What the fuck? You're a Timmy. This is disrespectful. You can't at least try and get 10 pips out of that, dude. What? Wait. Oh, I'm about to get on your bucket. What is that? GJ. It's GJ. Let's look at his numbers. He said 30-minute. He said wait for it. You're forgetting the monthly support right here, dude. Oh, I'm about to get on your bucket. I'm about to remove all my drawings. I want to see what you're looking at that I'm not seeing, that you think it's going to go to. I hope for you it's going to go down this low. What is this? 151,236. Oh, shit. I forgot the numbers. 236. That's his entry. Okay. That's your entry, right? So you're waiting for a close below here. Okay, perfect. Wait for a close. Right. Gonna wait for a close below here. Then let's make that his TP. Let's turn this color into fucking blue. Right? His TP1, he said, was 150,589. Oh my God. 150,589. Oh wait, I'm not done yet. I'm about to get on his bucket. Should have never sent that chart, bro. I'm sorry. I can't hold myself. 150,302. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm about to paper trade this with this dude. Okay, we're gonna wait for a close below here, and then we're gonna enter it in the paper trade. And then he's targeting here's TP1, and he had like a 5 pip stop loss. Kind of look like this, right? Dude. Okay, dude. Do you know? Okay, alright. Okay. You're 100% right. I very do much hopefully appreciate. I really hope this plays out for you. Right? I really do hope this plays out for you. Right? There's clean traffic. to your area. But I hope this plays out for you, dude. There's your entry right here. I hope you're in, and I hope it plays out. I'll just leave this here and wait for it. But in all honesty, bro, you can't send me this. You can't send me this, bro. You can't send me this, man. You are buying literally the various low of the lows. It can't get any lower. Why didn't you wait for a pullback, right? You were better off selling this low, right? Right? There, your entries rejecting. But, dude, I don't think you should be going for fucking 64 pips, bro. I think you should try to, you probably have like a 10 pip stop. At least go for 20, bro. You fucking swinging for the fences, bro. And then you're also buying the super duper low, bro. And then you're also going to wait for a close to happen. Like, if you didn't look at the 30-minute candles here to the left, right, you have resistance all through this area, right? What do you have here? You have a resistance area. You have a support area right here, right? Like, this is your range this is the range. I'm teaching you how to trade your strategy. This is your range, dude. Why are you trying to swing for the fences? This is all support and resistance. It's 1 hour support, 2 hour support. Don't ever do that again, bro. Don't send me that stuff again. You have to wait. You have to expand your mind, bro. Expand your mind. People sell the fear. Or sorry, people buy the fear and sell the hype. Alright. You have to expand your mind a little bit. With all due respect. Timmy King for real, dude. The man's a genius. Yeah. He's a Timmy King. For sure. I just kinda got crushed. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, at least the stop loss is small, but it's pointless for the stop loss to be small if you're just gonna lose the trade. Breakout strategy, mostly good in scalping 10 to 20 pips. Yeah. I think I might be in a swing for the week. However, his stop loss might be too tight. Way too low? No, when you're looking to swing for the week, you're not looking to sell the lowest of the low. You're waiting for price to pull back into a certain area of market structure, right? And then you're looking to look for price action in that area to then take it down to that area that you want it plus more, right? Way too low? I agree. Someone sent the chart. I lost it. Here's a better one. All right, let's have a look. Please don't make me flame you, dude. Dude, what the fuck? You added arrows. You added arrows, bro. Oh my god. You added arrows. You added arrows, brother. On the field. Okay. Oh, damn, you did get that sniper entry. What was your confirmations? Why not? You just added arrows. Oh, no, wait. That first chart didn't come from me, right? Yeah, I mean, I love the entry, though. I really do love the entry. I mean, you should already be safe, man. You should already be chilling right now. You know what I mean? I love the entry. Good job. Zone to fill, but yeah, I see that, but pay attention to what it does when it gets here to this wick. Right? Pay attention to this wick. This is a different pair. Okay, yeah. Pay attention to that wick and then pay attention to what it's gonna do at that wick. Right? When I see stuff like this, when I see setups like this, I like to just TP at the very first wick I see. Because you're gonna get most likely, I don't know what pair this is. Oh, US NASA. I don't know how it moves, but on gold, you see setups like this, you wanna grab that first wick, right? You wanna grab that first wick, take profit off of that, right? Bring it to the 15-minute time frame. I can't do that. Then you would have to, I think, wait, maybe if I copy the link, I'm not sure, but I think you would have to send me the live link. Then I can also draw on it and stuff like that, bro. If you send me the live link, I think it's what this. I think it's this. Let's test it. There's like something when you go to it, you could actually just draw on it as well. Hmm. I don't know which one it is. I think it's this one. I don't know, but there's one if you figure out which one it is, of if you click on it, I could switch it, like switch that chart that you send, and I can mess with it in TradingView. But let's just go to the NAS 100 and show it to the show it on the 15-minute time frame. I'm impressed that he's in profit. I mean, shit, he entered that crazy ass trade. Shit, it's only right for him to be in profit. I mean, it also kind of made sense. But yeah, like he said, this is actually this position is actually holding like that. I don't see it. I don't see one, bro. Right? I've never traded this pair, so I really can't speak on it. But it looks like it's consolidating to continue higher, possibly. I have no idea. Don't quote me on that, please. I don't trade this pair, so I can't speak on it. I trade this pair. Though I could tell you what's gonna happen here. It's gonna shoot up and spike down, potentially. Like that. Already closed out. Alright. It's ranging 100%. I'm just waiting for a pullback here into this on gold, and that's it. Pull back and buy. Ranging sideways. Yeah, I saw that, buddy. I saw that. Like, why would this be a valid sell? Like, it's pushing up. I mean, be patient. You know what I mean? You had your engulfing candle here on the 1 minute. The 5 minute is doing nothing. Don't look for sells, bro. Please don't be a dummy. The 1 hour candles closed just opened. The previous 1 hour broke above. Right. It's better to wait for a sell, at least wait for a bearish 1 hour strong close. Or like a doji like candle. But otherwise, dude, wait for it to pull back, continue. Right? I swear you're better off buying here and putting your stops below like here, and your probability is higher than trying to sell. Let's send some more charts. Who has another Timmy chart? Send another Timmy chart so we can all laugh. Someone send a Timmy chart so we can all have a laugh. Yeah, it's boring right now. I like using higher time frames for direction and smaller time frames for entry. I agree with you, bro. I like to do the same thing. I mean, it's very good that you look at it that way because that's actually the way to do it. That's actually the way to do it. A lot of people still have to wake up to that way of trading, believe it or not. A lot of people are focused on like smaller time frame things and they forget the bigger picture. Let's look at the GJ trade. Oh, damn. Stop loss would have got tanked on that dude's trade, man. Where's my paper trade icon thing at? Do I have it here? Oh, no, yeah. He would have got tanked. He would have gotten tanked if he would have sold that. Oh, man, I might buy it now. I don't trade GJ anymore, but Jesus Christ, man. For that person that fucking bought that shit, dude, or sold that fucking low, got stopped out right away. Maynard Oldies, thank you for the free value. You're welcome, bro. You are so welcome. Let's see what my peoples are talking about here. Let's have a look. See 2000 for the first time in 2020. Wow. Gold hit. Oh my god. Thank Joe. I banked on CJ also. Nice. I'm done for the week. Nice. Oh damn. For the week already? Alright, brother. Where's there a bump on gold when it starts like 200 pips? You mean the gap? So you mean this right here, bro? Cause I think this went up like 300 pips. Yeah. You mean the gap? If it is the gap that you're talking about, this happens when there's news over the weekend and there's orders put in the weekend and then they execute as soon as the market opens. So as soon as the market opens, the market makers, the people that have big bucks, right? They have positions or they open positions in the weekend and then they trigger once the market opens and that leaves that gap, right? So they're actually cheating, right? They're actually pumping the market before the market's actually open, and then when the market opens, you see stuff like this. I've always been told like this happens when there's like a lot of news, which is exactly what's happening. That's why you shouldn't leave a trade open over the weekend now, because as you see, right, it gaps up and then it shoots up exactly 200 pips. People that are shorting here are done. They're dead. They lost their money. They're losing their money. You know what I mean? So don't leave your trade open, please, over the weekend. Be very careful. Be very careful with what you're doing over the weekend. Ooh, we might have an engulfing candle come here. Ooh, 15-minute.
Very tempting.
Very tempting. Tell me about it.
Very tempting.
Very tempting. Yo, what's up, Mitch? What's going on, bro? Let me send you that link here. I think the people on the YouTube can hear you today. So you have to be careful with the Timmies. How do I do that shit again? 210 coming. I mean, you could call any number right now on gold as long as it's bullish. That number will get hit. It's easy now, bro. It's easy. Everyone's the gold expert now. Everyone, right? Where is your name? I might risk it. Just a little bit. Laugh my ass off. Just a tiny bit. On my PC account. On my PC account. Only if it does what I want it to do. I mean, it is true. I mean, call any bullish number right now, it's gonna go. It's gonna tap there in a matter of, you know. What's my aim on gold? Pull back to continue higher. That's about it. But aren't these people talking here now? There should be some craziness going on here, so where do I watch that? 12 GMT. What is that to Brussels time? Excuse me. Oh, it's in an hour. It's at 1. Okay. 10 to 20 pips or higher? Either no. No, I'm not looking for any buys, bro. Until I get a solid pullback, it's pointless to look for any buys right here at this area. You better off, I wouldn't suggest it, but you could better off sell than buy right now. So be very careful, please, if you're looking for buys. Or sell, sorry. The only sell that I would take is the break if this candle broke this low. Stops above. That's it. But it didn't happen. So no sells for me. Where are you from, Bank? From Colorado, bro. Denver, Colorado. But I currently live in Europe somewhere. Can't tell you where though. Unless you want to meet up, give me $200,000. Then I would. Tuning in from Boston. Nice. Boston, Massachusetts. 30 minutes engulfing. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. 40 pip stop loss. Oh. This is good. This is good. Let it come back down. Let it pull back. Let it do what it wants to do, man. Finally, so we could get in an entry for a buy, please. Oh, shit. Mitch entered the waiting room. I'm from Boston, too, bro. Everyone here from Boston, man. Everyone here from Boston. 200,000. I just got funded for two. See, you got it. You got it. Give it to me, dude. Ooh, but you should try to just slowly, slowly make money on that account. Get some nice entries in, let those run, man. Whew. Next thing you know, you'll have an $80,000 profit split. What part? NH. Oh, I don't know what. They're doing that Boston talk. And NIHM. Yeah, that's that Boston talk. It's my best friend's birthday today. But he's in, where is he at right now? He's somewhere way different than me. He's in Bremerhaven. Oh, he's in Washington right now. On the ocean somewhere. He's at the port. He's in the Navy. Oh my God. They're talking they from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm from Denver, Colorado, city of the snow. You know what I mean? Gold looks like it's breaking new lows today. The sell also. Matthew Romano, be very careful with what you do, bro, if you're trying to short that, man. Telling you. It is taking a shit though. Jesus Christ. It is taking a shit. No FOMO though. No FOMO. No FOMO at all. Probably will stay on for like 15 more minutes and call it one. Potentially. Nothing's happening. I'm gonna set some alarms. My alarms don't get triggered. No trade. Once permitted. Notify on app. Oh damn, did I just really do that with 2 T's? I'd stayed away from gold right now, 100%. 100% agree with you, bro. I couldn't agree with you anymore. It's just, you know, to short that right now is just too crazy. Anything can happen. They're also talking about here, they're talking in an hour. They might be bringing this down just to shoot it right back up in an hour. But you do have this little trend line going on here. This little channel. So if you do get the channel break, you might potentially get a short. I'm not doing it. I won't do it. I'm going to wait for buys. That's it. Smart traders are waiting for buys. Unless this just takes a dump right back into fucking and breaks and closes below 1928. I'm not going to lie. That GJ with some modifications looks decent. I mean, I just didn't agree with this TP. I didn't agree with the entry. How would you do it, RCats? And you know, there's nothing wrong with trading that way, right? There's really not. I just don't understand why his TP was like 60 pips. His stop loss was like 5 pips. This dude never. I mean, it's possible to get that, but then you would have to, your entry candle would have to drop immediately like 30 pips. And then you got to get lucky that the next candle doesn't stop you out for pulling back up at break even, if that makes sense. Right? I mean, there is his stuff again. Right? This is his entry. Right? He had like a stop loss right here somewhere. He had a stop loss right here. Right? He would have been in this trade already once. He would have got stopped out right here. Now he would try to re-enter again. And he would want to TP this. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. Just dropping, so it's gold. Timmy 2P. Would do like. I don't want to say it, but it sounds dope, bro. Mitch, YouTube can hear you, bro. Say something, I think.
Dope.
Can you guys hear Mitch?
What up?
Oh, it's my, yeah, 100%, bro. Say something, Mitch. Mitch.
My bad. I forgot I was back on mute.
Okay.
Oh,
They hear you.
him?
They hear you, bro. You're not in jail anymore. You
Yeah, we back, baby.
You could share your thoughts, bro. Speak up. Speak with your chest, boy. Speak it with your chest, man. Parum, Naheem. Alistair Spielman, he was from South Africa. I remember now. I thought he was from Amsterdam, dude. I was like, yo, what's up? I was speaking Dutch to him. He's like, bro, I'm from South Africa, man. I don't know what the fuck you're saying. I was like, what, last week Friday? Yeah, we'll keep a tight stop on it. Just seemed like it had enough and was ready to give back a bit. Yeah, I mean, everyone, if you guys want to short, dude, I'm not telling you not to. I'm just waiting for the pullback and in. I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait for like 2 rejections and I get in. It's that simple on gold right now, right? It's that simple right now. You wait for a pullback. You wait for like 1 rejection candle and you just buy it. Like even here, dude. Like look at this rejection candle. Enter at the break. Okay, you have a 64 pip stop, but it just comes to show how easy. Don't short, guys. Mitch is watching his sales TP hit on gold. Yeah, Mitch is crazy, motherfucker. Not me though. Now honestly there was one entry. I didn't take it. I won't take it, which is at the 30-minute break of the low. Stops above, right? It's engulfing. Now you're just waiting for it to close, right? If you want to be safe, you're looking at 43 pip stop. And then you're looking most definitely for a 2-to-1 ratio, which would be right here. That's the only setup play that I would take on gold if I was looking to counter trend trade, but I'm not. This is something I would wait for on a normal market sentiment, when the market is not overly bullish, when the market, reacts to entry. Yeah, that's his entry. So, yeah, that's exactly what I would do. But the market is not. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Ukraine president advisor says new talks with Russia will start at 4 p.m. Kiev time. What is that for me?
I think that's the same time as you, right?
I have no idea. I'm about to find out right now.
I think they're 6 hours ahead of me, so I think y'all are both on the same time.
Oh, geez. Let's see what the president is talking about. They're talking about 4 p.m. Kiev time to Brussels. Wait, 4 p.m. Kiev to Brussels. Probably the same time. Yeah, I mean, it's all Europe, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same shit. Oh, no, we're an hour behind, I think.
Yeah.
We're an hour behind. They're EET. Oh, taking a shit. Gold's taking a shit. Finally, there's some action so we could get in for a buy here. Fucking finally, dude. Liquidity grab coming. I agree. Please let it come back to my zone. Please let it come to the zone. Please let it come to the zone. I really want it to come to 1966. That would be so dope. But we have to keep in mind we have 4-hour support here, and if it doesn't want to break, yeah, you're fucked.
You said 1966?
I want 1965-ish, 1966.
Oh, I'm cool.
Even better would be 1946. That would be ideal, right? If I get that pullback, 1946, that would be ideal. I don't think it's gonna come that low, but that would be ideal.
Right in with you, man.
I'm not in this trade. I'll just.
Man, nah, you the conductor. You ain't got to be in with me. You tell them you're conducting the price lower than I was going. So shit.
Yeah, that's the only entry that I would enter would be at the break of this previous 30-minute wick. You would be up 35 pips, but I'm not in this trade. It just come to show how effective anticipating a engulfing candle is, right? Normally I would do it on the 15-minute, but it didn't do it. It didn't do it. Now, if this 15-minute candle would have broke the low, I would have been in 100%. 100%. But nope. Give me a second, guys. I have to grab some more coffee. Wait, CAD JPY about to flip. I take it up again on a different account. Yeah, I have like 2 different accounts, 3 different accounts.
So,
So I'll be right back. I'm about to. Oh my God! Hold up. I gotta watch this real quick. Oh, taking a dookie. Gold is taking a dookie.
bacon.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go fill up my coffee mug real quick. Gold's absolutely melting right now, which is pretty good. I hope we come down to my areas to buy so we can buy it right back up. BRB. All right, we are back. Let's see here. Wow, 30-minute closed beautifully. Wow. Yeah, Mitch, you're in good. You're chilling. You should be chilling, man. Wow, 1 hour engulfed. Perfect. Esther 1960 and then a buy to TP 230. Let's have a look. I love it. I love it. Even lower than my levels. I love it. I love it. Yep. I'm looking at these levels as well. All in this area. 100% agree. I 100% agree. Why? It will close the gap. But perfect level would be right here. To buy it at again. Perfect level. What TP levels for the short term sells? I don't know, bro. Personally, if I was in sells, there's only 2 ways I would have been in sells, or 1 way, which would be at the break of this, right? And then 7 pips above, so you're looking at 43, 44 pips, and then I would target a 2-to-1 ratio, which actually almost would have gotten hit, just like that. I'm not in these sells, but you could potentially target right here, potentially. It all depends, bro, what type of trader you are. I can't tell you. Me personally, I want gold to come down into 1966. So if people want to target 1966, then target 1966. Right? There's a lot of bullish momentum, bearish momentum right now. Something's going on. Right? And the bearish momentum is when? When did this bearish momentum happen? right before they're about to speak. So there's something bigger. There's a bigger picture happening here. Be careful. The bigger picture is happening here, right? Something else is happening, right? Pay attention to the bigger picture. Now, if you get a nice fat wig down into this area, I'm buying it up beautifully. Well, daily doesn't have a bottom wick yet. Let it create the bottom wick. Let it do its thing. Let it come down. Don't FOMO. Buy it and have that very nice. Unless this is the high. I'm gonna get in for the buy. Don't get in for the buy now. Wait. There's no price action confirmation. Everything's leaking. I'm not selling shit. I don't trust this hoe. I don't either, bro. Live updates. Oh, Jesus Christ. What's going on, CNN? Oh, I don't want to get strike for this. Will I get penalized for this stuff? All right. I wanna watch. Oh my God. I wanna watch it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Jesus.
What was it?
Ow.
I just closed like 50%.
Jerry, it's so tempting, wasn't it?
Very tempting, man.
It's so tempting. He's like, it's tempting. He's like, it's tempting.
bro.
Yeah, man. Just be patient. Let me get rid of this alarm because it actually got there faster than I expected. Jesus Christ, that shit took a solid dump.
Yeah, I honestly didn't think it was gonna happen that fast, but yo, I'm cool. I prefer it being that fast. You know?
I hope for you that it breaks this 4-hour support and taps into my area to buy so I can get in.
Yo, we're still playing on my day fucking order block. My day range.
NAS 100 goes up, gold goes down. Facts? Yeah. NAS 100 did it go up for you? Did you buy that shit? Oh, it's almost at that. Wait, NAS 100 goes up, gold goes down. Dude, it only went up like 10 pips. Fine, got $1,000 profits. I'm done for the day, man. You should be done for the day, 100%, bro. Congratulations, big breadwinner right there. Happy for you, bro. Just close the charts if you want to stick around. Stick around. I'm still waiting for my entry. I'm being patient. I'm only buying this bull market. You buy the bull market, you let runners run a long way. Passive income. Literally. That buy, dude, I should have held that stuff. And what kicked off the big buy that I caught? Where was it again? It was right here. What triggered the big buy? Right? Where were we at? We're at support. Right. We're at support right here. What triggered this buy? That engulfing candle. I got in at the break. I have my stops below 7 pips and then wee. Wee. Passive income. I had that trade open all week. Look at that. Rejection candle. Wow. Now, look. It's the moment. That this is the third time for the people that's been here before. This is the third time that I'm about to give you guys the same setup. I took it 2 times and they're both profitable. This is the third time that I'm about to explain you guys the same fucking setup, dude. The same one. The third time. Right? So, We're rejecting big time now, right? So we kind of know our support area where it's rejecting from, right? Let it reject as much as it wants. Let it do its thing. Let it reject a lot, right? But you want this to close bullish. Now, this is the third time I'm explaining this shit, dude. I've explained this 2 times. I took a trade on this 2 times, and it ran me up 400 pips. So pay attention, right? Let it reject as much. Sorry, Mitch, but this is just learning, right? I hope you collected profits, right? This is just for learning, right? Let this 1 hour reject as much as it can, right? Then what you're going to see is you're going to see a slowdown in momentum of a market. The market's going to slow down in momentum, right? So you want this 1 hour candle reject as much as you can. And then you're going to wait. You're going to wait for a price to come back into this area right here. Now, if it closes like this, it's pointless. It really needs to reject, right? Right? So say it closed right here, right, with a big rejection wick. Wait for the next candles. It could take 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 5 hours to come its way slowly back down in there. And then you're going to wait for some sort of price action to collect it back up. If it starts rejecting right now, big time, if it starts rejecting big time now, that's your first sign, right? It's rejecting, but it looks like it's coming right back into it, right? So you're always going to look for the rejection, right? Now we know there's buyers right here that reject it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to wait for the price to pull back into that rejection area and wait for price action. And that's it. And then you buy it and then you win. And then you win. And then you win, you win, you win. 2 times I've said this shit. 2 times I've entered for a bunch. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right? So let this 1 hour reject as much as it wants and wait for it to come back. Like, dude, right here. The stuff that I was talking about right here. Look at this right here. And this is exactly that entry that I took to collect this. Right? To collect this. Right? This is exactly the same thing that I seen. Price pulled back. Right? Price rejected on the 1 hour. Right? There's one more like last week. I forgot where it was. Right? Price took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to fill in that candle. Price got close to this candle, and then watch, we're gonna circle this, we're gonna mark off this area, right? What do you have here? Support, right? Price spiked into the support. What's going on right here? Look, you had resistance here, you had support here. Now this is actually a little too high for me. I don't like it. You have support, you have resistance here, you have support here. Spike down, right? Go to the lower time frames in that area. What does it look like on the lower time frames, right? Rejection down, right? I told everyone here, if you don't believe me, this is when 2nd of March, run the stream back. Run the fucking stream back. Price came up. I said, wait. I was playing video games. That 6 p.m. hit, 6:15 hit. I saw this price break, right? And I entered right here. Right? The first rejection is never the real rejection. At times, yes, it's going to reject. And at times, yes, it's going to fly the other way. But most of the time, it's going to reject, come right back down to its rejection, and then it's going to make the initial move. Right? And people were trying to sell it as well in my group like retards. Let me show you guys here as well. Look at this. Again. When is this? 2nd of March. Right? Entered at the break of the previous 15-minute. Right? So I took my profits from the first trade, risked half profits on the second trade. Boom. 15-minute candle break. Right? There, these idiots were trying to short it. They got stopped out. I even asked him to explain it. He couldn't. He got stopped out. Entered again. And this time it flew. Right? Stops at break even. Secured some. Done for the day. 3 and 1 for the week. Right? Boom. People, I don't know what the fuck he's doing right there. Right? I don't know why people were selling here. You know, I told them, go ahead. Do your thing. Right? And then you have my boy Darm, right? He executed that stuff. Very nice. Very nice. Flying in profits, 130 pips. Anyone else take the buys. Called out, broke down, told you guys my entry. Only
Yeah, did you pause your screen?
on Zoom I probably did. On YouTube I'm not.
I was like, man, he's talking about a lot of shit, and I don't see that fucking, unless he's just staring at the thing and not moving the mouse.
Nah. I'm on YouTube. They can see the group, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. You're on a different, you pulled it up on a different screen.
Yep. So, with that being said, let it reject as much as it can. Let it reject as much as it can, bro. It was March 2nd at 5:15. The drop, March 2nd, I took a buy and it flew up 600 pips. I only collected 300 though. Thanks for this free knowledge. We all knew it had to come down from the market structure, but the time is uncertain. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I learned fast from you guys. Take your time, buddy. I need to get into this free group channel. Yep. Good morning. What broker do you like to use? I use IC Markets. I use Vital Markets and Dominion Markets. Nice. Yeah, I've been using IC Markets for like 3 years, so they're very good broker. But personally, I want price to come back lower. I want price to come lower. I'm not happy with this pullback. I want price to come down into this area and then show what I just explained. Spike, wait for it, spike down. How's the spreads on IC market? No spreads. No spreads, dude. I'm looking at like I use Hot Forex and XM Global. IC market spreads are like on gold are like 0.8 pips, 1 pip. That's it. You know, like on a regular currency, dude, IC market spreads are insane. That broker is actually insane, right? How to join my Telegram? Yes, really, bro. Trust me, really. They have no spreads. I've always had my withdrawals from them as well. So they're very, very, very good broker. If you're in Europe, use IC markets. If everyone that's like 80% of Europe is using IC markets, potentially. Let me get you guys that Telegram link. Now don't get it twisted, man. It's not every day where I'm sending signals. Oops. I don't send signals in here, so don't get it twisted, man. And don't come in here trying to freaking promote yourself with scams, dude. Oops. Cause people try to come in here and start scamming these people in here, dude. Fuck out of here. If I see some shit like that, I'm gonna IP ban you. I don't like signals either. I mean, I've taken signals before. I mean, I think everyone has in their career, but you end up just losing. You know what I mean? I've taken a signal group before, like back when I first started trading, 100%. I joined for picking up info. Yeah. Oh my god, I need to turn off these things. Scammers are real, bro. Yeah. Scammers are the real deal. Royal Speed, what's up? Welcome to the Telegram. Now, if you got whoever is joining the Telegram, bro, just make sure that you come in here, you know, stay positive, and then honestly just, you know, share charts, share your thoughts. Don't just share a chart or share your profits. I don't have nothing with profits. You know what I mean? What am I with you showing profits? Pointless, right? Come in here, learn something, ask questions. You you can connect with me. Okay, bro, stay positive. Yeah, stay positive, bro. Right? You can connect with me here privately. Send me a DM if you need help. I'll get to you. All right, this is actually irritating. How do I turn this off?
In settings, I believe it's
I
you're
just
gonna mute it.
Yeah, I just turned them off for 4 hours. Right? Did you join you? I'm P2 Nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Welcome. All right. Now, still waiting. Still sitting on my fingers. Oh, yo, you mind checking my charts? Cause sell on EU and I'm in drawdown. Shit, bro. Let me see. It might be good drawdown. Let me see. Give it a second. Sometimes you do need. Sometimes you need to let your trade breathe, bro. Sometimes drawdown is good. Oh, no, it doesn't look good for you. Okay, so what I would do is, right. Let's evaluate. Let's evaluate this quickly. Now I don't know. This is the 15-minute time frame, right? Now you have okay. You did. We are bullish. You are shorting the right. You are following the trend. It looks like. So what I would personally wait for, bro, is let price come into this area, right here. Right? Why? Because you see the support area. This is the last area of support that got broken out of, right? So let price come out here. Let price come into one of these two areas and then look for shorts. I think you're a little bit too early. Now I don't know Euro USD, but don't go off of these, right? I'm purely based on recent support and resistance areas, right? Oops, wrong one. Right? I love recent support and resistance areas, right? So when you break this, right? This isn't recent anymore. This is the last break that you had. I mean, this is recent, but this is what you're looking for, right? So let it come back a little higher. Let's look at it live real quick because he's in drawdown, so we gotta speed up the process. Oh yeah, it looks like. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, bro. Nah, cut that shit. Just cut it. I mean, look what you're selling into, bro. You're at a very, very, very strong support area on the daily, dude. Price literally corrected this whole move. You shouldn't cut it.
I mean, price might dip down into that.
It might dip into that, but
right, dip into it, and that could be because he sold, right?
yeah, he sold. You know what? Honestly,
Uh,
like, look, you broke the previous lower low, right? This is your previous lower low. Draw a fib.
he sold the low, man.
Yeah, you did kind of settle low. It kind of faked you out as well. Yeah, you should cut that
What
quick.
time frame did they take it out?
15 minute. So on the 15 minute on Euro USD, right here, first thing, what I would never do, this whole area, it might dip down into this area like Mid said, but this whole area is daily support, right? Now you have your first rejection here. It might come back down, fill this stuff for a second rejection to go up. But this candle, dude, on the 15 minute, never short this candle, right?
Yeah, nah, that's a beautiful ass buy right there. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
never short that candle. But like I said, and Mitch boxed out, this is your most recent support area that broke, right? So in between this whole box, it would have been better to look for shorts, 100%. Like I just said as well, right? But still, you still need to wait for price action, dude. You can't just short it because it's shorting, right? Look at the 1 hour. If the 1 hour closes like this in 7 minutes, are you gonna look for the next 1 hour to short? Never. Now you have support formed. You're gonna wait for the next 1 hour candle to wick in here. You're gonna look at smaller time frames to catch it back up to this high to continue or lower or break into this area. So you got to be very careful now. Now you just better to sit on your fingers what EU looks like to me. Because honestly, you're at a very strong level of support. Very strong. Let this daily candle reject as much as they want. And then tomorrow, if this is still bearish, catch the daily retracement to fill in the previous daily candle wick. Right? Oh, golds. Jesus. But yeah, be careful though, bro. Be very careful, okay? Be careful. Yep, got hit. Yeah, well, he got in too late on the move. Trading his patience. Learn the hard way. Usually wait for the confirmations, mostly engulfing candles, but the lack of discipline got the best of me, and you lost money. It's all that simple, bro. Doing funded account challenge, so emotions are low, bro. When you're at trading your funded account, just sit back on your fingers and trade what you really want to see. If you don't trade what you really want to see on your funded account, you're gonna lose money. You trade smart money concept. I don't know what that is, bro. I trade support and resistance. Know what I mean? Been in drawdown for 3 hours on NAS, finally in profits. As long as it doesn't, drawdown is sometimes good, bro. Sometimes, I mean, it's not good, but you know what I mean. Sometimes it's gonna fluctuate. Price is gonna fluctuate. Excuse me. It's gonna be in your drawdown area. You know what I mean? So sometimes you need to sit in drawdown. I've sat in drawdown for a whole 24 hours. Believe me or not. And there's a witness of this that actually knew I was in drawdown. Ray knew. Remember Ray? Mitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told her, I was like, I'm entering here, dude. Price range for a whole 24 hours after that.
She in the chat?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
Yeah. And then it fucking dropped down like 300 pips. I was so happy. They pocketed 8K. Nice. Very good, dude. Very, 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 very good. Gonna buy GJ very soon. Can you check it, please? Send a chart, Zainab. I don't like to. Send a chart why you think that area is a good buy, and then I'll see if there's any better options for buys. But send a chart because I don't want to kind of turn this into a. I don't want people to think that I'm a signal provider, stuff like that. You know what I mean?
$50 a signal. I'll tell you if it's gonna go or not.
Might get in for a little action here.
Moves down real quick. Come on, dog. Stop making those noise.
Might get in some little action here. I did my Forex funds 2K account. I thought the account could withstand the drawdown until I got to 100 and the trades closed to their volatile rule. Yeah. Hey Banks, I'll tune in tomorrow. Alright, bro. Appreciate you for coming in, man. Have a good day, my guy. Good luck to everyone. Same thing to you, bro. Why does anyone care about how much you pocketed? LOL. LOL, someone's taking trades. Yeah, I'm also gonna end the stream here.
Later, bro.
Do that real quick. Okay, let me go over this chart and then I'm gonna end the stream.
Forgot
Copy.
some forward trades.
This is GJ. Oh, hope I see.
Gotta put a.
See the issue. Boom. Alright, I see the issue. Strong daily support, engulfing candle. Let's look at GJ. Oh yeah, see that was that one dude set up. Look at him, fucking idiot. Fucking dumbass. I haven't seen him on the charts either. So, yeah, that would make sense, but I think it's gone now. You've been helpful, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, it looked good. You had a bunch of rejections here, then coming here. Probably could have got in at the break of this with the stops below, potentially targeting here. Being careful with here. I like that idea. Or it might reject, come back down, get you another entry. Right, so whoever's in here, man, I appreciate you for, tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow morning, same time, same place, same good vibes, except for the music. I'm not having the music on. So, I am gonna put my Instagram up there. You guys can follow that.
Yo, Guala, it's Teflon. That's that Teflon who lives near you.
Who lives near me?
Teflon, Sean. Remember you thought it was the one dude from South Africa?
No, I think he's talking about someone else. See the chart I have sent in your Telegram? I'll look at it later. Roll speed effects, 100%. Well, damn.
Oh, Neum.
Yeah, I think he's talking about Neum. So, yeah, thank you guys. Thanks, everyone, for staying in here, tuning in, chilling with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. My Instagram is there. Drop a follow. Telegram link is kind of higher. And if you are interested in a mentorship, I do have like one spot open or two. So hit me up in my DM for that. It's your boy Bank Robber. We didn't rob the bank today, but I'm just waiting for it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.